In sixth grade science, we're learning about life science, and one of the key elements of learning about life science is understanding what things are made of. I introduced the kids to periodic table, and they're like, wait, so is everything made of these atoms and matter? And they had a bunch of wonder and kind of excitement about it. I wanted to do a project where they are able to 3D print atoms and then kind of make kits where they can start to put together compounds that make cells and kind of support life as we know it.
One thing that the Applied Technology and Innovation Department was able to do for Mr. Gaston's class is to supply them with a 3D printer so that they could design their macromolecules in his classroom digitally and then 3D print the models to build in real life. And to be able to see that it is a multi-step process that allows them to bring their thinking to life.
Using this technology, we could make things by ourselves so we don't have to buy it online. Doing DIY is more fun, and you can also sometimes get the same product.
It was a good opportunity for them to do some graphic design work. They're learning how to make a logo, working with the team, and they also focused on how to use a 3D printer, which is not something that all of them have had experience with before.
It's been really cool, just every day you just see the 3D printer just printing something nonstop, just learning more about it.
Anytime a teacher has a moonshot idea where they just really want to shoot for the stars, let us know and we'll be there. We'll strap on our jetpacks with them and we will see what we can do.